Hello guys, welcome back and welcome to my channel. This is Amby's vlog and I'm back with another video for you guys. So from the screen you must have guessed it right, there will be an unboxing of many things today in a video. So this is a quick unboxing of things which I have ordered from AliExpress for my Polo 6R. So let's see what this video is all about. So let's just quickly start with the unboxing as it would be a very long video. So let's quickly just start. So from all these packages we'll first go with the smaller one. So this would be the first package which I would be unboxing for you guys. And guys, don't mind, I have already opened this package just to check whether the things have arrived properly. So let's just open the first package. Nothing inside the package, we'll keep it aside. So this is the first thing which I have ordered. So from this thing you must have guessed, it's a part which is related to a door. So yeah, here is an cover which will protect the hinge of your doors from getting rusted. So it's a basic ABS plastic part and it is in set of 4. So you can install each of this on each door what you can say hinge. So let's just quickly zoom it for you guys. So this is the product. The quality is really awesome. I will put up the link in the description for you guys so that you can also buy it for your car. And first impression, the product is of good quality. The plastics which is used is good, it's sturdy and it will surely hold up for a longer time on your vehicle. So we'll open this one. So this is the thing. It's a steering, what you can say, chrome ring. It's a red chrome. So let's just take it out. So yeah, here it is. It's the quality, the feel, it's good. It's like a brushed aluminium. It will go in the center of your steering where there's a Volkswagen logo. So it will be surrounding the Volkswagen logo as a red accent. So I will put up the link for this too in the description. I guess I will put all the links for all the products which I am going to unbox in this video so that you guys purchase it later. So we'll just keep this aside for now. We'll go with this package now. So this is the thing. Now it's also in set of 4. So you guys must have guessed it right. It would be for a door. So we'll just quickly take out the first one. So this is the product. It's made in metal with a carbon fiber finish. It's basically a door lock cover. So this is also in a set of 4. From the build and the weight, I can say it's of good quality and material. Even the carbon fiber finish and everything is good. There is no bending of pattern over it. It's a good, decent product. So it is also in a set of 4. From the video you guys can see, here it is, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, we'll unbox this one now. I will just zoom it out a bit. So it's a small box and I got this product, like I found it on a YouTube channel I guess, and it was a really good product. I have never seen on any Polos in India I guess. So we'll unbox this one now. So it's a dynamic LED lamp. So basically it's an dynamic LED indicators, and the best thing about this product is it's a smoked one, so you don't need to have a tint or anything. It will look sporty on your vehicle, and also it has a dynamic pattern. The indicators would be dynamic, so it will work I guess with most of the models of Polo, which do like the one which are having indicators on their fenders. So it's a set of 2 and it's an LED and it's a dynamic one. So I will put up the installed video or installation video for the same, so you guys can see the working there in the next video. So now we'll keep this quickly as biggest package in this lot. So I will take it out quickly, very well packed. So this is the box. So basically it's a set of door handle trims, and the main thing about this, I will quickly take out all out from the box. The main thing about it is it's in carbon fiber finish, the most favorite thing of mine. The finish is really awesome. Also it's a gloss black carbon fiber pattern So it's looking dope. It's also inside of 4, so I will take out all for you. So here it is. So it is basically in 2 parts. One will be going on a handle and one will be going on the stationary part on the door. So from the first impression about this product is really good. It has a 3M adhesive at the back, so which will hold it properly on your vehicle and won't fall off while driving. And the finish and everything, the shine and everything is really good. I was not expecting of this quality, but it's really awesome. And I will show you guys how to install it on the vehicle and how it looks on the vehicle later in the next video. So, and this is the product. So even this is a really awesome one, I guess, I feel, since my vehicle is a family car, and this thing is really helpful as per me. So it's basically a multifunctional or a LED floodlight, so it can be used as an interior light for the rear passengers to use. So this is a box for it. We'll quickly open it up and see. It's basically a universal interior light, you can say. So I had ordered beige color as my option since my headliner is in beige. So it's made out of plastic and it's quite lightweight. So these are the box content. There's a USB cable to charge this light. There is an instruction manual about how to install or use this light in your vehicle. There is a 3M adhesive tape and a metal plate. So basically this light gets attached to your headliner without any screws or anything. It will use magnetic force to stay in place on the headliner, and it's an adhesive promoter to stick this plate inside the roof or on the roof. So I will show you guys how to install it later. So this is the light. It's in beige and it's in plastic. It has this area where the magnets get attached. So this is the neodymium plate, I guess, and it will get attached to this. See, that's how. So this plate would be installed on the roof with the help of that 3M tape, and this light will stay in place using that. So in order to use this light, you just have to press on this what you can say, the glass area, and it will get turned on. The light is not charged. It took about 1 month to reach here in India, so the battery must have died, but it's a pretty good product. I have seen the images in the review section of that seller, so I will show the output of this light later in the next video. So that was it, guys. That was the quick unboxing video for products which I had ordered from AliExpress for my Polo6R. So this is the end of the AliExpress haul video, I can say. Installation of these products will be in the next video, so stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Till then, this is Ambys vlog signing off.